Alright, folks, just a quick body cam vid. I'm basically just standing outside the Walmart with my back against a pillar and like looking down into a bag. I think I was actually pretending to look down into the bag just to look inconspicuous. And then some guy walks past me and he just kind of looks at me weird and says, "Excuse me," like really passive aggressively for no reason. It's really nothing. I just thought I'd post this as an example of a sort of microaggression when you're just like existing in public and then somebody, well, basically you're just existing in public minding your own business and then somebody like stares at you all crazy and then passively aggressively says something like, "Excuse me," or "Have a nice day." So without further ado, here's the footage. I'm just standing there with my back to the pillar, unfolding my bag. There's no reason to make contact with me. I'm not moving or anything, so he's basically just noticing me, then saying that to the top of my baseball cap with like a sour look on his face, like trying to act like I'm doing something wrong or something. Alright, folks, there you go. It was really nothing, but if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. Because you're basically not doing anything wrong, you're minding your own business, so people have to sort of resort to like dirty looks or saying "have a nice day" in a passive aggressive way, or going like "Psh," or doing like double takes or something. Alright, folks, in this next one, I'm walking down the street with a GoPro, doing an experiment, and I see these like I think teenagers coming at me, and they're taking up the entire sidewalk looking at their phones. So I'm like kind of going off to the side. In since I figure they're gonna try to do that thing where they take up the entire sidewalk and don't like move for other people to go by, I probably had like an involuntary look of like disgust on my face or something. So then as I'm walking by, one of them does that thing where they say "Have a nice day, sir," in a condescending like tone, like they're trying to be passive aggressive. So then just as an excuse to turn the camera towards them, I say, "What happened?" And then I just kind of turn the camera to them, and then they kind of out and keep going.
This is the apartment next to, sir. Sir, have a good day. Have a good day.
What happened?
YTOU. What does he say?
What happened?
He said
There you go, right there. So yeah, this is what I was trying to capture on camera anyways. When I'm walking down the street, minding my own business, like random people yelling stuff at me, and in this case, like condescendingly saying "Have a nice day, sir." See, there's a logical explanation for it. It's probably because I had some kind of like uncomfortable look of disgust on my face. Combined with them just kind of like staring at me too much because they don't like the way I look or they want to like try to start trouble with me. If you know, you know. Alright, and then this next one. I was going down the street and I stopped, and when I turned around, some guy on a bike did the devil sign at me or whatever. No big deal. I think I don't think he saw that I had a camera because he could only see my back before I turned around. But I guess he just saw that I was about to turn around, so he likes randomly flashing the devil sign at people or whatever. No big deal. Just thought I would include this because of my policy of showing anybody who makes contact with me or flags me down, putting them up on the internet. How'd that guy know I was filming? So, if you like this content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Cheers.